Welcome to the HTML5 Video Player tutorial. For this video, I will be installing the HTML5 Video Player Pro plugin, which you can purchase at bPlugins.com. You can also use the HTML5 Video Player basic plugin, which you can find at the WordPress repository by searching HTML5 Video Player. So let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is go to our plugins and install the plugins. Hit add new plugin, upload plugin, and you're going to upload the file that the profile you received. We're going to go ahead and hit install and then activate. So you'll be prompted for the license key. The license key will come with your purchase. You just copy and paste the code that you got into the key area. And then hit activate. All right. So now that we've activated our plugin, we're going to add a new player. We're going to entitle this new video. We have different selections, but we're going to, for our purposes, use a video that we've already uploaded. We're going to hit select. Before we publish this, we do have some features that we can go through. So first, let's look at controls. So we have our controls here. We can select which controls we want users to be able to see. So for example, we can have the rewind. We can have the fast forward. We can have the duration, mute as well, volume. We can allow for AirPlay, download, and full screen. So for now, we're just going to select the ones that we want. In the general area, we have some settings. We have autoplay. Autoplay will autoplay on mute, so just keep that in mind. We have repeat. We have muted. We have auto hide controls as well. And then we have sticky on scroll. So let's select that as well. We want to use pick what position is sticky at. We're going to do bottom right, and we'll leave everything else the same. This is a short video, so we do not have or need chapters, but you can add chapters to your video. In our case, we're not doing the overlay, but we can add an overlay with text, and that'll show up here. And you can add a link to your overlay as well. We can add an end screen, which we aren't going to do, but you have that option of doing as well. This is an opportunity to have folks go to another location at the end of the video. Those are the settings that we're going to look at right now. We're going to go ahead and hit publish, and now our video is published. So what we can do now is grab our shortcode, and let's go put that in a post and a page. So we'll go to pages and create a new page. We'll name this new video player. We'll go ahead and add some text to our page. And then we'll go ahead and add some network text. Let's say we wanted to add our video. So we're going to hit shortcode. And then we're going to grab our shortcode that we've copied and paste that here. And then we're going to move this up so it's in between the two areas. Then we're going to hit publish and then view page. So moving down, you can see our video here. So you see our video, it's playing. Let's say we wanted to put it on mute. We still have our video playing. Okay. So this is a page, but we can do the exact same thing for our posts. So let's go ahead and take a look at that as well. So let's go to add new post. And this is going to be new video post. We're going to add our text, and then add our video as well by adding so we can add the shortcode, or we can add the video player. So let's add video player, and here we can directly add our create a new player. So let's do upload video. Now let's do a different video. And hit select. Okay. And so you see now you have your controls, because we are adding this to post and we're adding it directly to the post. So you have your controls that you can change like we did in our first creation. So in this case, let's do a couple of things. Let's change so the style we have at 100% width. So let's change that to, let's stay at 75%, and let's round the corners. So I have some rounded corners. And then we'll leave the controls as is, because we took a look at those controls already. But we will add a watermark. And let's say, do not reproduce. And then let's do blue color. Okay. And then also, let's have this start on mute. We'll start this muted. Okay. So, so these are all the changes we want so far. Yeah, these are the changes we want. We could always come back and make more changes if we don't like the way it looks. But for now, let's leave this as it is and hit publish. Go ahead and hit publish, and then we'll view the post. And hit play. And we see the watermark, do not reproduce. And we see that it's muted. It starts up muted. Okay. Now that we have all of that, we also have the option of adding our video to our widget area. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to widgets. And we're going to pick the rights. And we're going to add this as a shortcode. We have the option of adding it as a video file, but let's add it as a shortcode. So we'll grab our shortcode and paste it, and then hit update. And let's take a look at our new page. So we have our video widget in our widget area. And once again, it doesn't autoplay, but we can change that so it autoplays. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So let's go back to our video player, and let's edit the original player. And so you want to make sure that you've clicked on your video and then hit block. And so you'll see all of your settings. So what we want to do is go ahead and hit the autoplay. So we're going to have autoplay. And in order for autoplay to work, you have to have it muted. We'll also have it repeat. So keep in mind that when you make a change to your video, this makes the change across the video. So we have this video in 2 different places. So that change will be shown wherever the video is shown. So let's go ahead and hit save. And let's go ahead and refresh our window. And you see now that it autoplays. Okay, how to create playlists. So let's get into it. So to create a playlist, what we want to do is go to the HTML5 player and hit playlist, and then hit add new playlist. Here, we'll scroll down and come to add video. Let's do our first video. And let's have our first video be from our library. And we'll upload our source. We already have a source here, so we'll just add that and select. Our description is nature video. And we'll upload a thumbnail. And in this case, we'll just do just a random thumbnail. Select that one. So we'll add a new video. This time we're going to do a YouTube video. And I will name this second video. And we'll add our YouTube URL, YouTube ID or the URL. In this case, we're going to just do the URL. And we're going to upload a thumbnail. Let's do a different thumbnail. Select. And we'll call this second teacher video. And then we're just going to add in one more video to round everything out. This will convert. And we'll once again use our uploaded source. And let's do this one. And we'll do this thumbnail. Oh, let's do this thumbnail. Third. Okay. And once again, we only have the one video, so we don't have different qualities, and we don't have any subtitles. So now we get to pick our buttons. So what buttons we want to have our users be able to access. So we have our play button. Let's get rid of the large play button. Let's just do the play button. Let's do rewind and fast forward. Let's get rid of restart. Let's get rid of the progress bar and duration and current time. We'll keep mute. Let's get rid of picture-in-picture, AirPlay, the download button as well. We'll keep full screen and get rid of settings buttons. So those are the buttons we're keeping. All right, and then we have some options over here as well. We can autoplay next video, which is what we want to do. We want a list with our thumbnails. We have the option of just having the simple list with thumbnails, and list on the right side. We're going to do list with thumbnails, and we'll keep it at auto hide controls. Okay, playlist, and we'll just call this nature playlist. And we'll hit update again. And then we'll copy this shortcode, and let's go to our page. Let's go to a page that we already created. Let's edit this page. Let's add our shortcode to the bottom here. And paste our shortcode. Hit save. All right, let's review our page. We'll scroll. And so we do have our playlist now. So this was the first one. This was the second one. Let's look at the second one. And you see it's a YouTube video playing. You can pause that. And then we also have our third video. And this is our, and we have our third video, which is our native video. And we have our second video, which was the YouTube video. And our first video was also a native video. So this is what it looks like in thumbnail form. So let's take a look at what it looks like just as our simple list. So let's go back. We want to go back to our HTML5 videos and look at our playlists. And we are editing our playlists. Let's go to, instead of lists, let's do simple lists. Hit update. You see down here, we have our lists. So you have your poster, our image, and then your other videos as well. Okay. So you will be able to add your playlist to any page or post with the shortcode. And then let's change this to 100%. Just so we can see what that looks like. So let's update that. And then also let's do the right side list and hit update. You have the right side lists with your thumbnails and your playing video. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a good day.